Hi Sanjeev.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Okay.
Give us 2 minutes. People are joining.
Okay.
Hello, Sanjeev. Good morning.
Good morning to all. Hello.
Yeah, good morning, Sanjeev.
So may I start this class?
Yes, please.
Okay. So actually today we will recall the last class because we have some problem in the recording. Okay. So we
Hmm.
cannot actually we had a record process, but whenever I terminate the dialog box, we are
Hmm.
lost the recording session. So I will be record. Okay. Little bit recall the last class. So that's better
Okay.
for you. That's better for you, I think.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good also. I really
Okay.
thought of asking about that one.
Yeah. So did you do the practice last class session?
Yeah, whatever we discussed yesterday, yes, I did that.
Okay. So get the command inside the java.lang package. We
Hmm.
have learned string buffer and builder, all those things. What are the operation performed by the string? What are the perform operation by the buffer and builder and wrapper class, auto boxing and unboxing? All has been
Correct.
completed last class. Okay.
Correct.
So
Correct.
string have a immutable class belongs to java.lang package. Okay. It has also subtly defined methods, but whenever you will create the object through the string class, they will be not modify the object content, right? Hello. So they will be not
Yes,
modify.
yes, yeah.
So they will be not
Yeah.
modify the object content. So this is the way already we have call. We will be recall all the topics within a 10 minutes. That's better. In Java programming, whether it is small or complex, okay, most commonly required class and interface are defined in the separate package, which is nothing but by default you will be get java.lang package. You will be not declare, but as a developer you should remember this belongs to the java.lang package. We are not recognized to import java.lang string package explicitly because by default it is available to every Java program source file. Now we will discuss a string class. When will we call string objects, we cannot perform any change in the existing objects. If we are try to perform any change, with those change new object will be created. This behavior is called immutable. So did you understand immutable and mutable class? Have you any doubt regarding that?
No, you're okay.
Okay. So this is the way whenever we create a string object, and if you will be put the concat for add the two object, it will be not modify because he has a property consume the immutable. Again, a string buffer. If you want to create a string buffer object, we will perform any type of change in the existing object. This changeable behavior is called mutable. So sometime if people will be not change to the behavior, you can say that this person is a string. If people will be changed based on the your record, based on the your according or based on the environment, you can say that this people is a string buffer. Got it? In real time also you can find out the people behavior. So that's why you will say that which people are which belongs to that. It is immutable or mutable. Got it or not?
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Same thing,
Yes. Yes, Sanju.
same thing. We will create the object, and we will we will modify the existing object through the append method. So Java training will be added to the Java. So we will get the output. This one is string buffer. Same thing happening. We will be know the interview point of view. Equal and equal methods will be there. Equal operator. So what did you do? Equal operator. Can you say equal operator into equal method?
Equal method checks the content, but equal operation checks the variable variable name.
Equal operator will be equal method will be compare the
Check the
content
content.
whatever the object, if
Yes.
object will be same, but this will be content the reference variable. Got it or not?
Yes.
This one is the
Yes.
so that's why you will easily to give the answer in the interview also. It in the Boolean type means equal methods return type is a Boolean because Boolean has by default value true and false. You already you see in the keyword method overridden for the content comparison. If here the content is the same, then equal method return it to even those objects are different. The string buffer also we have giving the example string buffer. So we can do that through the we are creating a two object and we have a two reference variable. Through that, if you will be here, why will you not here you will getting the false because they are carrying the content reference comparison. But what are the default? Because equal method is not overridden in a string const buffer. That's why we are getting a some false. And string buffer class equal method is not overridden for the content comparison. That's why object class equal method will be executed, which is means for reference comparison. Due to this, if objects are different, equal method return type false, even those content is a same. Again, the same thing happen. We are creating a two object. We have a holding a two object same, but reference will be different. So in this way, two object will be created, which is a in a heap memory and other is in a string constant pool. A string always pointing to the heap area whenever you will create the object through this way. So they will be pointing the reference in the heap area, but this object also create in a string constant pool. But whenever you will create the literal value inside the string data type, they will be created in the string constant pools. In this way, only one object will be created in a string constant pool and a string is always pointing to the object. So that's we are a pointing. For interview point of view, garbage collector is not allowed to access string constant.
Sanju, one question.
Yeah.
What is the use of when we created like a variable that is storage in the SCP,
Okay.
storage constant pool?
Okay.
So how if you want to use that one? So how can I use in the program?
Means
How can I
you
call that one?
see definitely if you have a if you will be create okay this kind of the
Yeah.
value simply if you will be
Yes.
create inside the class so directly you will be call this scenario through the how you will see we have a one mistake. Okay, if you will create inside the class you can call through the object reference. Okay, you can call already you will recall. Did you remember the how many variable type is there. You already learn instance variable, or you can say that global variable, or you can say the non-static variable.
True.
Got
Yeah.
it? You
Yes.
already learn
Yeah.
instance variable also. You already learn local variable also. Now how you will be call, you know already. Okay. Suppose this variable will be declared inside the method. Directly you can pass the reference variable in the SOP and you will get the output. But this variable, if I will be declare, see, suppose that we have a string equal to Sanjeev. Okay.
Okay.
Public
Static void.
void main string args. See, we are declare a variable inside the class. So
Exactly.
what kind of variable is there? You can say the instance variable, you can say the local variable, sorry, you can say the instance, you can say the
Instance variable.
global, you can say the non-static, not static, non-static. You have
Exactly.
a three
Yeah.
name, you know about that. Okay. So how you will be called from here? So definitely you can create test
Object.
demo. Okay. 5 equal to test demo 5 equal to
Uh,
then
no, no, no.
system dot out dot
No, it
print.
is a dot or above line.
So directly you can call. Okay. Suppose this way. Suppose this variable will be as a local variable. Suppose you have a local variable. You can modify the reference. Directly you can call.
Yes, that's true. Yeah.
That's why I'm teaching to the rules. If you will know that, you will be recall all those things, you will be get the easy. Got it? So based on that, as a developer, you can think like just like identifier. How to identify? Suppose Mr. Ram will be in front of me. So I will be identified to him how? Suppose today will be meet as a normal dress. Tomorrow will be make the some drawing or anything else on your face. So I will be identified. What are the predefined component is there inside the RAM? Okay, on the face. The same thing as a Java developer. If you will see that, what is the all those things? This is the class. This is the instance variable, this is the main method, this is the object. If you will think like that, all those, so easily you can comment also, you can make the comment, because as a developer, if you will be write the comment, what kind of the information will be perform, so easily people will understand he has a knowledge and he has each and everything. Got it?
Okay.
So same thing happen.
Uh,
You can recall fundamental this is the, whenever people will ask about this code, you can recall the identifier. Can you say that? What is the identifier here? Can you say?
which one? Identify.
Yes, identifier, please find that. Please tell me about that. This source file, can you say that identify? Can you say? Suppose,
Class
yeah.
name. Class
Which
name.
which one? This one, okay. This one is
Class
class.
name. Yeah.
Okay. Another another identifier name.
Variable name. String.
Okay.
Yes. Small.
Okay.
Small.
Okay. Variable name. Okay. Second. Anything? Then,
I think those two only.
pardon?
Those two only. I think.
No. So
I'm not
that's
sure
why
about
you
it.
that's why you are not learn the rules. I teach you rules. You can recall, you can see the
So
identifier nodes. You will turn over your page front, you will see that how many identifier is there. So I request to every developer, every learner, please at least you can do the go to the rules. If you will not do the rules, you have faced the problem. If you have mentally strong, you will be enjoy the job. That's the problem.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
So tell me, what is the rule here? See, our motto is not complete only class. Whatever I give you the knowledge, after that knowledge, you have a capability to learn new things. That's why I'm teaching to all details, each and everything.
Okay. Rule here is what is the rule here?
Rules is there, identifier. I'm asking to you, please tell me how to identify this source file. Means what is the identifier? Identifier, you have a class name, you have a variable name, you have method name, you have a label name. Remaining things is you have a keyword and modifier. So how you will be identified? Can you say?
I didn't understand your question. Can you reframe the question again?
Suppose in front of you, one child is there. Okay. He under a
Oh,
he under the 3 years. Okay. So you can ask to him, please tell me, where is your nose? Where is your eye? Where is your mouth? Are you asking or not?
okay.
Yes.
Same thing happen here. If you are a developer, if you will be not identifier, where is identify? Means how you will be identify in this, what will do? Is it possible to do something different?
That is what with the class we are class is one identifier.
Yes, class is identifier, good. Another?
The small string
Okay,
string is one of the identifiers.
okay, do second.
And the test demo 5, small test demo 5 is an object reference
Okay, this is
variable.
also variable, okay.
Yeah, that's it. I think string 1 is another identifier.
Okay.
I think
Anything?
that's it.
Any more?
Yeah, I feel that's it.
So did you write in your topics how many identifier example? How did you identify? Can you recall this notebook?
Identifiers.
Okay. So we have instance variables, static variables, local variables,
No,
right?
no, I'm not talking about variable. I'm talking about identifier. Did you not or not? Can you say?
No, I think nowhere I wrote about that one.
Okay, you can write the identifier.
Okay.
This is the first topic. I think already discussed. I think you are not care about that. See,
Maybe you missed it on something.
this one is the identifier. Okay, a name in a Java program.
Yeah, identifier, class name, variable name, method name, label name.
Yes, you are right.
That's what it.
Did you find?
Yeah, a name is in Java is called, it can
So
be class
that's
name or
way.
variable
That's why I'm teaching to you. Please, at least you can remember, because your motto is whenever you will be see the source code, you will be know each and everything. That's where capable to give the answer. Otherwise, not possible. I do not want to see the student as a blank. If someone will be asked to you, and don't try to become as a, just like a, you have find you have see all those things, but without knowledge, you will feel like I'm a blank in front of the source file. So please tell me again, what are the identifier in the source file?
class name, variable name,
Okay,
method name,
class
and
name.
label name.
So what are the class name here? Can you say?
Test demo 5.
Okay,
I
test
think
demo.
we missed only the method name that has an identifier. The remaining all we spelled it out, right?
Method name, and one more things. Where is another reference variable name? Here also this one is the reference. This one is also variable.
Yeah, args is another variable. Yes.
Yes. So that's why if you will do the any
Okay.
mistake, interviewer will be find out you have not confidence in, you have no idea. That's the problem. Easily he will be
Okay. Yeah,
find out.
Mohan, can you spell it out all this? I just want to know. I missed it somewhere
Yeah,
else.
you can
The
recall.
class name, variable. Yeah, class name, variable
Class
name,
name,
method name,
label name.
label name. Label name. Where it is the label name in the program? Mohan, can you tell me?
Sanju, what is the label name here?
Label name, whenever you will be learn the switch case, okay,
Okay.
inside the switch case you will be see the some label name also.
Oh, so in the during the switch case, okay.
Got it?
Yes, I missed that one. When is missed first day, na? Day one.
This is the first
Yes,
place,
maybe
and
first day,
that
maybe
day
first way they will be there. So that's why they are
you will
proved.
need class.
So please,
Um,
please listen each and everything. This is more valuable for you. I think like that you will put the 5 or 3 years experience after getting a training. That's why I'm teaching to you. If you will be fundamentally strong, you will be enjoy the Imanga framework or advanced Java also. Got it?
You mentioned that Java identifier are case sensitive and there is no length limit for Java identifier, but this is not recommended to take more than 15.
but I need to note on that, Mohan.
No, on the day same, he also informed that there is no length limit for Java identifier.
But 15 is the recommended.
Correct.
Oh,
See, I know if starting class, student and teacher will be not familiar to the language. But whenever you will be spend the 1 week, you can collect all those things. You will be try to do whatever question arise by the student and what kind of the question they ask the teacher. Okay, so how much importance you will be see in the interview also. Okay, because they will be asked the same question will be different way. Maybe you will technical word will be not familiar to you, but if you have the confidence on the base knowledge, later point of the next interview you will be enjoy.
Okay, Sanju. Actually, create one more variable, create the variable as Sanju,
Okay,
as you showed in the notepad.
okay,
You
not
mentioned as already Sanjeev is there, so it will not store as another variable, so it will use the same object what was created in the SCP.
same variable.
If you create one more string variable, can you please
Okay,
create one more string variable and pass the name identifier as a Sanjeev in the
see,
instance variable.
see. This one is the our instance variable. Why?
That's
You are saying the instance because a rule is there. Instance variable
yes,
inside the class area. You can say that
true.
inside the class
Yeah.
area. Otherwise, you can say the non-static variable because static is not in front of him. Okay, modifier is not. And one is a global because you can access anywhere. That's why we are giving the 3 name: non-static variable, instance variable, and global variable. Got it? Whenever you will be called the non-static variable inside the static area, his area is the static because he has
Static
holding
variable.
a static variable. This is a static modifier holding the method, main method holding the static. So that's why you can say from here to here, this one is the static area. So before
True.
calling to non-static variable inside the static area, you should
Different.
take the reference variable. You can create the object. That's what they will be giving the privilege. Otherwise not possible. Got it?
Yeah.
But whenever the same concept will be called as a local variable, here see this is the local variable, directly you can, because whatever you will variable will create this instant use. Instant use means only one time. That's why you can do. And directly you can access and you will go to the output. Okay? Got it or not? So identifier
Yes, yes,
class
yes.
name, variable name. This is also class name because string already learn you have. String is a class only for array type. But only they will deliver string array type. This is the method. This is the variable. This is also reference variable. This is the new means creating an object. Okay. Got
Yeah,
it?
that is okay. Yeah.
Got it?
All those are okay, Sanju. Actually, can you go to the WordPad?
Notepad.
WordPad, what you are explaining for us now.
Okay, okay. So
So,
you should remember, that's better. Really, you have need to the recall on all those things. So in this way, only one object will be created in a string constant pool, and a string is always pointing to the object. So that's why they are a pointing because of that. So did you get understand all those
so
things?
here the object is Sanju in SCP.
Yes, here we'll be creating an object in a string constant pool. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Then for interview, garbage collector is not allowed to access. Inside the garbage collector have no privilege to directly access the string constant pool area. Even those object does not contain any reference also, which is not eligible for garbage collector. If it is a present in string constant pool area, all string constant pool object will be destroyed automatically at the time of JVM shutdown. Means, are you getting my voice? Hello? I
Yes.
think some
Yes, Sanju.
mistake is arise here. Hello? So whenever we will be shut down means your work has been complete, test.class file they will be shut down, and that time string constant will be destroyed. Okay, so object creation string content will always optional. First JVM will be check is any object already present in a string constant pool or not with required content. If it is already available, then JVM will be reuse the object. If it is not already available, then only new object will be created. So first JVM will be
Your
checked.
voice is not clear.
Suppose already
Your
sent.
voice is breaking, Sanjay.
Hello, are you
Your
getting my?
Your
voice is
voice is
breaking.
not clear.
Think that's why I'm asking. Hello.
Yeah.
Network some issue arising the some network issue. Are you getting my voice? Hello.
No, still issue.
It's not clear.
Hello.
It's not clear, Sanjay. Your voice is
Good. Hello.
not now.
Okay. Are you getting my voice? Hello.
Getting, but that is not. It is breaking.
Okay. Some buffering arise. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. But your voice is good here. No any problem. Maybe some headphone is also good. Okay.
No, everybody is having the hearing as you breaking.
Okay. So right now you are listening properly or not? Maybe. Can you say? Hello. Are you getting my voice? Hello.
Yes. Now
Okay.
we are getting, but still you are breaking.
Okay. Wait.
No, for me it's not clear. His
Are you
voice.
getting? Are you getting not? Actually, everything is good.
No.
Maybe some network. I think network arising the issue. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Just. Hello.
Yes. Yeah.
This is good.
No. Still like that only.
Okay.
Can you restart that so that it may rectify?
Restart again. Okay. You want?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
No, again maybe recording will lose.
No. I will be stop first.